In today's competitive market, it's more critical than ever to find sustainable revenue streams that add value to our customers. Asset Pro Repaired for Life is a game-changing product that does just that. This is the easy way to think about it. It's kind of like service contracts for your service department. For over 50 years, selling service contracts in F&I has been a massive source of revenue for our industry. Look, and the great news is, you can now implement a similar revenue stream in your service department. So what is Repaired for Life? First of all, it's an untapped reinsurance opportunity that delivers an innovative revenue stream that amplifies value, reimagines retention, and accelerates profitability. It also provides your service customers peace of mind for their service investment by providing them a lifetime warranty on both parts and labor. It's also fully automated and there's no selling required. Qualified repairs are automatically printed on the RO, allowing your service advisor to focus solely on presenting the customer with their benefits. And even better, Repaired for Life has no setup fee or expense for your dealership because it's entirely funded by the customer. And it's a seamless claims approval. Look, simply enter the customer's name and VIN into the Repaired for Life portal to immediately get claims approval over 95% of the time. Look, I know this may sound too good to be true, but I promise it's not. Repaired for Life is an easy to implement, even easier to use, repeatable solution for your service department. It's a retention and revenue generating product that's fully automated and requires no additional mouse clicks, keystrokes, or paperwork, making it a hassle-free addition for your operation. If you're looking for additional streams of revenue in your service department, contact us ASAP for our next available install, or if you want more information.